Hi, my name is Michael, and in this video I'm going to show you how to attach curriculum maps to your Planboard. This will allow you to set the pacing of your units, create curated content for your lessons, and ensure your lesson plans are aligned with your curriculum. This video is currently separated into two sections: how to attach curriculum maps to your subjects, and how to add curriculum content to lessons after you have done so. We will begin with learning how to attach curriculum maps to your subjects. In order to pull curriculum content and insert it into your lessons, you will have to attach the curriculum map that you want to use to the subject that you are teaching. If you haven't yet scheduled your subject within your timetable, you will want to take a look at Chapter 1 of our Planboard Learning Guide, which is linked in the description of this lesson. If you have scheduled your subject, it will look something like this on your Planboard, so you'll see the subject within your Planboard according to the rotation schedule that matches your school. In order to schedule the curriculum map and add it to your subject, you will need to click on the navigation menu in the top left-hand corner. Once the navigation menu is open, click on Subjects. Here you will be able to see the list of your subjects, and if you click them, you'll see either one or multiple sections. Once you schedule a curriculum map for a subject, it will add it to all of your sections. If you've yet to create your subject, you can take a look at the FAQ button in the corner and read the article on how to add and remove subjects and sections. Now that I'm on my subject page, I can take a look at my Grade 3 Math subject. So here there is going to be an Add a Curriculum Map button. If you don't see this here, it means that you might not be added to your institution, so please talk to one of your administrators at your school, and they can set up your account to be connected. Once you do see this Add a Curriculum Map button, you can click on it to see a list of the curriculum maps that have been created by your school's curriculum creators. Now you can search these by tags or titles. We usually recommend that a school picks a naming convention. You can see here on this list that this school does not have a naming convention, and therefore it can be a little confusing to know how you should find what you are looking for. That being said, what we can do is look for the subject. As you can see, there are a lot of subject tags here, or the grade. I'm going to look for Grade 3 and search for it in the title. Right near the top is the one that I'm looking for, Grade 3 Math. Once you have selected it, it will give you a preview of the units that are in the curriculum map, as well as the lessons per unit and the curriculum sets attached. Once you have verified that this is what you want to attach to your subject, click on Next. Now from here, you're going to want to schedule your curriculum maps. What this means is that you are going to select the date from which it starts, and it will schedule all of the units from that start date forward according to the unit pacing. You can do this at the beginning of the year and select the start date of the semester and schedule all units at once. For example, that would make Unit 1 start the first day of the semester and continue for 20 lessons. You can reschedule these at any time by coming back to the subject page, and there will be an option to reschedule. So if you want, you can actually just schedule the units one at a time. This will allow you to customize the unit pacing, so if something happens to upset your schedule, for example a snow day, you can come back and can reschedule your unit. I'm going to schedule from the first day of this semester, and I'm actually going to schedule all of my units, so that's going to tell me when I should be teaching which units. Click Schedule to finish. So as I mentioned before, you will see a reschedule option once you assign a curriculum map to your subject. If you do want to come back at a later date and reschedule some of these units, you can do so by clicking this button. Make sure to click Save within the subject when you have finished attaching the curriculum map,